Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The picture of Monday Okpebholo kneeling down to thank Akpabio has been trending on social media. And that's what we're going to talk about now. And we're going to show you that the governor-elect kneeling down to thank Akpabio, what he symbolizes in symbolism is that Edo State will be on its knees for the next 4 years. As Edo has moved from Edo Nobi Lagos to the return of the Godfathers. That's what we're going to talk about. Why we think that is so. Now, before we go further on this, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. Also on the screen, you can see some of my books that are available on Amazon platform. Just type any of these books, the title of any of these books, on your Google space with the author's name. It will take you straight to Amazon platform. And these books are available on e-copy, paperback, and hardcover. Amazon is world's #1 on print on demand, and they distribute all over the world, no matter the remotest part of the world where you stay. Thank you for buying these books to support this channel. Welcome as we look at the symbolism of the governor-elect kneeling down to thank Akpabio, the Senate president, and what it means for Edo people going forward. Now, a photo of the governor-elect, or the incoming governor of Edo State, Monday Okpebholo, kneeling down to express gratitude to the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, following his victory at the just concluded governorship election, has caused a stir on social media. That's why we are talking about it, because it has generated a lot of buzz on social media. All kinds of opinion are being expressed on it. But first of all, when I first saw that picture, it reminded me of the prophecy of primate Elijah Ayodele, who prophesies ahead of the election that if the All Progressive Congress wins, that Edo people will suffer. I put the report of that his prophecy on the screen so that you don't think I make it up. He said, if APC wins, in fact, he was saying that if APC wins, or if PDP did not win, that Edo people will suffer. In the same report, he claimed that Aswa Eyadelo will be announced the next governor of Edo State, but that PDP will be rigged out using the beavers. You see, you may not always agree with prophecies coming out from all these men of God. Some of their prophecies may not be true. Some may be true. Some may change with time. Because before you condemn a prophet, saying that what he said did not come to pass, things can change. Okay? I don't want to sound religious, but things can change. If you remember the story of Hezekiah, Hezekiah was told, Isaiah was told to go and tell Hezekiah that his days are numbered, that he should prepare his house. So if somebody had heard the prophecy of Isaiah that Hezekiah is gone, but when Hezekiah heard that message, Hezekiah faced the wall and began to talk to God, reminding him of what he had done in the service of humanity, in the service of God. As Isaiah was going, God told him to go and go back to that Hezekiah. Tell him, I heard his cry. I have changed my mind. Okay, so prophecies, when it doesn't happen, it doesn't mean that the prophet is wrong. It could be that God changes his mind. There was a report in the Bible where God has given a go ahead to the Israelites to go and take over a city. The king of that city, when the Israelites have surrounded the place to take it over, the man took his only son, who would be a king in his stead if he was to die, and he sacrificed him to his God. Not the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, to his own God. Even the God Almighty was touched by that sacrifice, and God scattered the camp of Israel. And the prophecy that they should go and take that thing, if you hear it, it means that it appears as if the prophecy was wrong. But God changed his mind because of the sacrifice that the king of that entity made. That's just by the way for those who take pride, who take joy in saying that prophets don't know what they are doing. Okay, but I don't want to sound too religious. But what I'm saying that this primate, Elijah Ayodele, he said ahead of the election that the Edo people will suffer if APC wins. And he said that Ayodele of PDP will win. Say PDP will win, but they will be rigged out using the beavers. And if you listen to what is going on now, already there are serious complaints that the result that was announced was allegedly different from what was in the beavers. What was in the IRIF, what was in the beavers, because it's from the beavers that you get to the IRIF, what that they contradict itself, that what was in the IRIF is not what was announced. You have heard PDP people complain about that. So whether you like him or not, whether you believe him or not, but at least I've just, why I brought this up was, and when I saw the man kneeling down on that picture, what came to my mind was the prophecy of primate Elijah Ayodele, where he said that Edo will suffer. And what it symbolizes is that Edo is going to be on its knees in the next 4 years if APC continue to remain in power, unless the court changes the dynamics. But this court, can anybody get a remedy from this court? This court, under this APC administration, it's a difficult, it's a tough call. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his congratulatory message to Okpebholo, he was saying that anybody who is not happy about the result should go to court. And I asked, which court? This court in Nigeria. So, but that's by the way. So unless something like that, unless there's a change in dynamics, court upturn this election. That kneeling down symbolizes that Edo will suffer, as this Elijah Ayodele prophesies that Edo will suffer if APC emerges the governorship position in that state. Now, in other words, means that Edo will be on its knees for the next 4 years. And it knows what you know what it means for a state, a nation, or an individual to be on his knees for 4 years. It means that what Ayodele said, prophesied, will be a reality for Edo people for the next 4 years. Now, Akpabio, by kneeling down, was also saying that these are men who delivered victory for me. Because on what basis is he thanking Akpabio? Akpabio does not have the voters, he doesn't have the votes to cast in Edo. He doesn't have a word in Edo. So what is the role that he played that he deserved to be thanked? I can bet that Akpabio could not convince anybody to vote for Okpebholo in Edo. Akpabio, nobody will vote in Edo because Akpabio told him to vote for the governorship candidate of APC. I do not believe that. Perhaps he was thanking Akpabio, and I'm sure that's how he knelt down with all the other godfathers. And you can imagine what will happen when Oshomole will take them to, in a triumphant march, to Aso Rock Villa to present him to the Jagaban. You can imagine what he will do there. That time there may not be cameras to capture it. He is acknowledging those who put him there. He is acknowledging those who put him there. If there is any people, if he was if his victory was a reflection of the will of Edo people, he ought to kneel down in a popular square in Edo and thank the people of Edo for putting him there. But I can tell you that if he is to stand before Edo people, he will not kneel down like that, as he will kneel for the godfathers, for those he believe helped him. How did they help him? It's probably, as PDP are alleging, that they brought federal might from Abuja, or the who is who that they can muster. They package them, or that could weigh federal might and package them to Edo to intimidate. According to the PDP, people were intimidated by the federal might that was displayed. The people were intimidated, harassed. That's not my word, that's the PDP's words. Perhaps that was why he was thanking them. He was thanking them because they are the ones that made him. It is not the people of Edo that made him. So that symbolism of kneeling down says a lot about what will happen to Edo State in the next 4 years. That's my thinking. Some people may look at it and say, oh, he's just showing respect. No. Just saying, showing respect. If you want to show respect, you show respect to the Edo electorate. They are the one that put you there. If truly you believe they are the one that put you there. Okay? The truth of the matter is that that's a subservient display, and it shows the state of Edo in the next 4 years. If you think otherwise, or you think you have an alternative idea of what it means, let us know at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.